There is one question that I get asked the most, other than, girl, is that your real hair? And that is, how do you get your bun so big? So sis, in this video, I will show you exactly how I get my bun big. Stay tuned.
I am beginning with hair that has been blow dried. I'm not sure if I'm going to be uploading that video or not. I'm still undecided. I am actually jamming to the wheels on a bus. That's what it's like when you have a 1-year-old who doesn't let you listen to the music that you want to listen to. You have to settle for the wheels on the bus. Every time I wear my hair in a high bun, there's always someone asking me if my hair is real. And once I tell them, well, yeah, my hair is real, they have to touch it to see for themselves. So once they are finished with their touch-a-thon, then comes the questionnaire. And I'm looking at them like, I did not sign up for this. Let me know in the comment section if any of you have had similar experiences. This is the way I do my bun when I want it to be a little smaller and not as wide.
I'm all done, and it only took a few minutes. It was very simple and quick to do. And of course, if I was going somewhere, I would have maybe brushed away some of the flyaways, added a few more pins, adjusted the bun the way I wanted it to be, depending on the day. But since I'm only doing this video to show you guys how I get the big bun, it didn't really matter. So give it a try and let me know what you think in the comment section below.